how to kick a member from Brawl Stars club. For that, you need a certain standings on your club, so you have to have some sort of positions on your club to have that active. So from here, you just want to go to your club at the right side of your screen, and from here, tap on this members icon. You can see all of your members right here. And as you can see, my current status right here is Vice President. Let's say if I want to kick this member right here, I'm just going to tap on this profile, then go to its profile. And on their profile, you can see this little icon right here that shows their team standing. So they're member right now on this clan or this club. So in order to kick them, you can tap on this little gear icon right here. And here you'll see two options, promote or kick. If you want to kick them, just tap on kick. Or if you want to promote them, you can do that as well. And that's how you can easily kick a member from Brawl Stars Club. I hope this video was helpful to you in any way. If so, hit like on the video, and a sub to the channel would be really helpful. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.